एलएलएम के ऑप्शनल पेपर में एक आईसीजे इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस का पार्ट आता है, जिसमें व्हाट इज़ द मेन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ आईसीजे इंट्रोडक्शन में देखते हैं। द इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस आईसीजे, also known as the World Court, is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, established in 1945 by the UN Charter. Its primary purpose is to provide a means for the peaceful resolution of legal disputes between states, based in the peace palace in The Hague, Netherlands. The ICJ plays a crucial role in maintaining international peace and security by upholding the rule of law. It's important not to confuse it with the International Criminal Court (ICC), which prosecutes individuals for crimes like genocides and war crimes, whereas the ICJ deals with disputes between countries. Main objective of the ICJ. The ICJ has a dual objective, serving two key functions. Number one, settling legal disputes between states. The foremost objective of the ICJ is to settle legal disputes submitted to it by states in accordance with international law. Only states and not individuals, corporations or international organizations can be parties in cases before the court. The disputes can cover a wide range of issues, including land, maritime boundaries, territorial sovereignty, the non-use of force, diplomatic relations, violation of international law. For a case to be heard, all involved states must have consented to the court's jurisdiction. This consent can be given through a special agreement, a judicial clause in a treaty, or by a declaration accepting the court's compulsory jurisdiction. The court's judgments are final and binding on the parties involved, through enforcement can sometimes be challenged since the ICJ lacks its own police force. Point number 2, giving advisory opinions. The second main objective is to provide advisory opinion on legal questions referred to it by authorized United Nations organs and specialized agencies. Unlike its judgment is contaneous cases, these opinions are not legally binding. However, they hold significant legal and moral authority and contribute greatly to the development and clarification of international law. The UN General Assembly, the Security Council and other agencies frequently request these opinions on complex legal issues, which helps guide their actions and policies. Lastly, I am going to the conclusion. In the essence, the main object of the ICJ is to be vital instrument for the peaceful resolution of instrumental disputes and for the promotion of the rule of law at the global level. It provides a formal judicial forum for states to resolve their conflict without resorting to armed force, thereby contributing to the maintenance of international peace by both delivering binding judgments and issuing authoritative advisory opinions. The court not only resolves specific disputes but also continuously shapes and refines the body of international law, serving as a pillar of the global order. So, all you have understood what is the main objective of the ICJ.